Impossible, possible. It is impossible that your goal will reach you. But it's possible for you to reach them. It is impossible that your path will be smooth. But it's possible for you to make it smooth. It is impossible that someone will wipe your tears. But it's possible that you avoid them. It is impossible that everyone will encourage you. But it's possible that you can never discourage yourself. It is impossible that the world will change for you. But it's possible for you to change for the world. It is impossible that wisdom will reach you. But it's possible for you to hunt for it. It is impossible that world will always give happiness. But it's possible for you to give happiness to all. It is impossible to have few true friends. But it's possible that you can be true friend to others. It is impossible for someone to live your life. But it's possible that you can help out someone to live. It is possible to die without hope and believe. But it's impossible to live without love and faith. Everything is possible if you have the will. Where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you.